Okay, so now you have created your VOKI and it's time to turn it in. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google Classroom. Once you're already signed in to the school computer, you should be able to access Google Classroom through this little, I think they call it a waffle up here, or you can just Google Classroom and find it, and it should automatically sign you in. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to go over here to this plus sign to add my class. So it's going to ask you for a class code, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my website, and the class code again will be off to the left hand side somewhere. I haven't put it there yet, but it will be with the VOKI project somewhere off to the left hand side. And you'll see where it says class codes. I already have the class codes pulled up over here, and it'll look something like this. So make sure that you put in the code, the correct code, whatever period you're in, you want to put in that code. So I'm working right now in first period, so I'm going to put the code for first period. So I can either Control C like cat, or I can right click copy, and you don't have to go back, back and forth through the different windows. So let's go ahead and go back to the Google Classroom, and then I'm going to go Control V like Victor, or right click paste, and I'm going to hit join, and this should join me to Mr. Brick's class. Okay, so once you've seen this, there will be an assignment in here. Okay, sorry, I hadn't put the assignment in there yet. Went ahead and loaded it up though. You'll see it appear right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to add a link, and so you have 3 VOKIs. I'm going to go back to VOKI. You're going to want to go to the My VOKI, and if you've saved your VOKIs, all 3 of those should be here. So I'm going to go to the first one, and you're going to go to this little thing, the share. Click on that, and it's going to give you an opportunity to let me see here, click on this right here, and this is going to give you a chance to copy the URL. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to the Google Classroom again, the VOKI assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and let's add this a link. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there, and then go to add link, and it shouldn't take too long. So there's the first one. Then I'm going to go back to VOKI, and I'm going to go to my second one. So my VOKIs up here, and then I'm going to go do the exact same thing, character 2. I'm actually doing it backwards, but that's okay. Then you're going to go there, and then you're going to say copy again, and then you're going to go once again back. That's the wrong one. You're going to go back to the VOKI, and you're going to add a link, and you're going to paste that link in there. This gives me the ability to access your work once you've submitted this. And there's number 2 character, and I'm going to go back one more time to VOKI, and let's go to my VOKI up here, and then the very last one, I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to click this again, and then I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to the classroom, and I'm going to add a link again, and I'm going to paste this, and then I'm going to say add link. And now you have all 3 of your VOKIs sitting right here ready to be turned in. They all have their voices, and I'm going to go turn in, and it says 3 attachments will be submitted for VOKI, turn in, just a verification, and now it's turning it in, and there it is. Once you see the unsubmit, you know that it's been submitted. You don't want to hit the unsubmit because it will unsubmit it. There you go. So that's how you turn in your VOKI.